Hello my dear friends, welcome to Recyclebintech channel. Today we are going to see HP Laser 107W. In this model we are going to see how to replace the toner and how to clear the paper jam. Two things we are going to see, and this is just a paper holder while the print is coming, and just pull the body like top cover like upside, and after that you can see the toner model number 106A. And while removing time, just remove it slowly, don't give pressure on that. Like this you can pull it upside. After removing this, you can replace like a new toner. This is how to replace the toner or change the toner. And you can see inside it's very simple. If got any paper stuck inside, it's very easy to remove. And while you removing time, it's don't give pressure, remove it very gently. If you give more pressure, it will stick some small paper inside and you will get again error. So better to remove very slowly, and after removing also you check 1 or 2 times, and we can refix the toner again inside. So this is very simple method to replace the toner and clearing the paper jam. It will be very easy. After removing that, there is Wi-Fi also provided in this printer. So this is how to replace the toner and paper jam. If you like the video, please subscribe and support. Thank you for watching. Bye bye, see you.